Good morning, everyone. Aja here from Pandemonium. Oof, I need some makeup. Much better. Alright, well, I do want to start with a thank you from some subscribers who sent me some presents and also Moo some presents. Moo loves her cow. Thank you so much. Moo. That's so awesome. Thank you. Come here, Moo. She loves it, don't you? You do, yes. She's like, it's a little sleep buddy, though. She won't chew on it. She's not much of a chewer when it comes to toys like this, but she will snuggle with it, so. Okay, go back to your chair. Go, what you doing? Come on, go back. Good girl. Yes, here's your little cow. There's your snuggle buddy. Also, thank you so much for the card and the gift card. That was so awesome of you. Very awesome. Thank you, thank you. This will help so much on the road. And thank you for your kind words on the Christmas card. And I received another package. Let's see. She told me she was sending these. And it's the earrings. These are neat looking. Let's see. Awesome. Thank you so much for the earrings. Let's try them on. So awesome. She actually makes these earrings. She says she's going to set up a site to take orders soon, but in the meantime, they can email her at DesireeLockett@AOL.com. So she has that as capital DESIREE, capital LOCKETTE at AOL.com. And specify colors and size. So thank you, Desiree, for the great earrings. I'm usually not a big fan of like earrings so dangly. I'm always scared they're gonna get ripped out, but I like these. Those are awesome. Thanks. Well, unfortunately, the heads-up display is not going to work with my vehicle. Somebody commented on my last video and said it might not be compatible, so I did check. And it's not compatible. It's only compatible with the newer OBD2 or the Euro BD. So, yeah, it's not going to work, unfortunately. But that's okay, because I have an app on my phone that lets me know my speed. And also my GPS does the same thing, so I guess it was just redundant. So, back to the store you go. Oh my god, isn't it so cute? My aunt and uncle got me the solar pandas. That's just awesome. So I'm going to stick it right here by my other panda. That's awesome. I did have these in the front window, but they were causing a reflection in my video, so I didn't want nobody complaining about that. So, yep. I stuck them back here, right by my bed. So, and my planter that I have outside. See, this is my the planter tray, and I can also remove the planter and put it outside, just for that extra sun, and then bring it back in at night. But yep, there's my cute little pandas. Alright, to reduce some more weight, I'm going to take off these mirrors, because there's about 20 mirrors, and altogether they probably weigh about 15 pounds, maybe a little bit more. They're not the lightweight mirrors, they're pretty heavy. So yeah, they're not doing anything, they're just decorative, and I saw the lighter weight ones, but I'm just going to paint this wall and be done with it, just to reduce some more weight. Plus I'm going to take this door off today. As you can see, I already have a lot of them off, so they're not the easiest things to get off. But fortunately, I just only hot glued them, so it's not too bad. So I'm in the car with my aunt and uncle, and we are headed into downtown San Antonio to go. The Alamo Plaza was built in the 1920s. Awesome.
The Texas 1845.
Well, all of that? It went through this.
Yeah, it went through.
This used to be Texas.
Used to be Texas, all that.
Right. Oh, it went through Colorado and New Mexico. Wow.
For Oklahoma and Kansas. Took a lot of them.
Yeah. These are all the what? Marijuana plants? They're not marijuana plants. They look like marijuana plants.
Yeah, from a quick glance.
Right.
But they don't have enough points on them.
Alright, so we're at the Alamo and we're headed to the Riverwalk. Here's a quick turnabout. And this is the actual Alamo, but they don't allow pictures or filming in there. Jeez, look at that long
some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Burning city, napalm sky.
Well, it was a great day today. Accomplished a lot. That was for Terry because he wanted to see the river walk. So I hope you enjoyed that. Getting cold, so I had to cut on my heater. Ooh, brr. I got the RV cleaned up today when I got back home. Mr. Buddy heater going. So yep, it's pretty clean today. I cleaned all the cabinets, wiped down everything. So, and also vacuumed and swept the floors. So yep, Panda is all clean. Well, I'm going to edit video and then call it a night. I have my neighbors, well, my aunt and uncle's neighbors, they're shooting off fireworks and having a little fun tonight. So hopefully that doesn't last too long so I can get some sleep. But it is almost New Year's, so who cares? But yeah, they are going to do a big fireworks show New Year's, which will be cool. And I'll try to record that and put it up for y'all. But I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone. Have a wonderful night.